Donna from Etobicoke writes, how come when I turn my camera lens to let in less light, the f number gets bigger? Shouldn't the number get smaller for less? Is this stupid or what? Well, Donna, it's close to stupid, but not quite. To see what a lens does, make yourself one of these. It's a shoebox with a piece of tissue paper held in the middle. Now at one end, cut yourself a space for your face. The other end, make a very small hole with a pin. If you point this box at a bright enough scene, you'll see a dim but very sharp image of that scene on the tissue paper. Notice that the picture is upside down. Here's what happens. Imagine any one of those tiny points on the scene you saw. It gives off light rays in all directions. Only a small bundle of almost parallel rays can make it through that pinhole to hit the tissue paper. And that's the same situation for every point on that object. That's why the picture is upside down. A lens improves the situation by bending light rays. The amount of bend depends on the actual shape of the lens and the angle that the rays strike it. The lens effectively collects more light. Notice if I moved either the object or the place where the image is in focus, the rays would no longer converge and the image would be out of focus. The situation is different if the object is so far away that the rays from it hit the lens straight on and don't require any bending. Then, moving the object further away has no effect on focus. That magic spot is called infinity in lens speak. Objects at infinity all fall into focus a fixed amount behind the lens. That distance is the lens's focal length. The brightness of an image depends on two things, the focal length and how big the lens is. The f number marked on a lens is a ratio of the lens's focal length to its diameter. Unfortunately, the way the ratio works is the diameter gets bigger, the f number gets smaller. If you have two lenses of the same focal length, the one with the smallest f number gathers the most light. To make photography more flexible, lenses have a means of controlling the amount of light they pass by controlling their effective diameter, like the iris in your eye. The ring that controls the iris is marked in f-stops. You'll notice that the focusing of the lens gets less critical as you shut the lens down. That little mystery is explained by the pinhole effect. As the hole gets smaller, it becomes more of a pinhole camera where everything's in focus. One last little thing, that scientific f number, it's hogwash on modern lenses. It's a ratio of the focal length to diameter. It doesn't take into account the actual light that comes out of the lens. Lenses vary a bit, and science marches on.